Installing new windows is one of the most rewarding upgrades you can make to your Weston home. It improves energy efficiency, enhances curb appeal, and creates a more comfortable living space. However, even the best window installation can be disrupted if your home isn't properly prepared. A little planning goes a long way in ensuring the process runs smoothly from start to finish. Here's how to prepare your Weston home for a stress-free, successful window installation project. Clear the work areas inside and out before the installers arrive. Take time to clear space around each window that will be replaced. Move furniture, decor, and electronics away from the window area to provide a safe, open workspace. Aim to leave at least 3 to 4 feet of clearance around each window so the crew can move freely with tools and materials. This includes removing curtains, blinds, or window treatments ahead of time. Don't forget the outside areas, too. Trim back bushes or plants that might block access to exterior windows, and relocate patio furniture or decorations that could get in the way. Protect your belongings. Window installation involves removing old frames, scraping old caulking, and sometimes cutting through drywall or siding, all of which can generate dust and debris. To protect your home, cover nearby furniture and floors with drop cloths or plastic sheets. Take down wall art or mirrors near installation areas to avoid accidental damage. Store valuables and delicate items in a safe place away from the workspace. Many professional installers in Weston bring their own protective materials, but having these precautions in place ensures your belongings stay clean and safe. Deactivate security sensors and alarms. If your current windows are wired into your home's security system, contact your alarm company before installation day. You'll need to temporarily deactivate or remove the sensors to prevent false alarms or damage during the process. After your new windows are installed, your security provider can reattach and test the sensors to make sure everything works properly. Provide easy access to the work areas. Installers often need to move in and out of your home multiple times throughout the project. Make sure there's a clear path from your driveway or entryway to the installation areas. Unlock gates or fences ahead of time, and if you have pets, keep them safely secured in another room or at a friend's home. The sounds and activity of installation can be stressful for animals, so it's best to keep them away until the job is done. Prepare for noise and dust. Window installation isn't overly disruptive, but it does involve some hammering, drilling, and removal noise. If you work from home or have young children, plan accordingly. Consider setting up in a quieter part of the house or scheduling errands during the noisiest hours. Most installations take 1 to 2 days, depending on the number of windows and the complexity of the project. A professional team will clean up as they go, but it's wise to expect some dust and minor debris until completion. Confirm project details with your installer before the work begins. Review all the details with your installation team. Confirm the number of windows, estimated timeline, and start and finish times. Ask about warranty coverage, payment procedures, and any special instructions. Reputable Weston window installation companies are happy to walk you through every step of the process. This helps set clear expectations and ensures there are no surprises once the project is underway. Inspect the work after completion. Once your new windows are installed, take a few minutes to inspect the work with your installer. Check that each window opens, closes, and locks properly. Look for clean caulking lines, smooth operation, and proper sealing. A professional installer will review maintenance tips and warranty information before leaving, giving you confidence that your investment is protected. Enjoy a smooth and successful installation. Preparing your Weston home ahead of time ensures a faster, cleaner, and more efficient window installation experience. By clearing the workspace, protecting your belongings, and communicating with your installer, you'll make the process simple and stress-free. When you partner with an experienced Weston window installation professional, you can rest easy knowing your new windows will enhance your home's beauty, efficiency, and value for years to come.